Chapter 1. The New Guest. Keith Gridley went on a trip with his mom, Mrs. Gridley, and dad, Mr. Gridley. They stayed at an old hotel. Matt worked at the hotel. Matt helped carry their suitcases. Mrs. Gridley wanted to go to another hotel. She was afraid the old hotel could have mice. Dad said no. We are staying at the old hotel. Keith liked the hotel. He had room 215 to himself. Keith looked around. He opened his suitcase. He got out some toy cars and a toy motorcycle. He made noises with the motorcycle. Vroom, vroom, bang, crash. Keith ate an apple. Mrs. Gridley put the apple in the garbage. She thought there could be mice at the hotel.